How to add comments in Adobe Acrobat. First, open your browser and go to acrobat.adobe.com. Log into your Adobe account. Click on All Tools at the top. Click Add Comments from the Tools list. Upload the PDF file you want to comment on by clicking Select a file. Once the file opens, you will see a comment toolbar on the left. You can use the sticky note icon to drop comments anywhere, use the highlight tool to highlight text and add notes, use the text comment tool to type directly on the page, or even draw shapes using the drawing tool. Click on the spot where you want to comment. Type your message or mark something important. You can also change the color, resize, or delete comments easily. Use comments to collaborate with others. Everyone can see and respond to feedback when shared online. And that's how you add comments in Adobe Acrobat. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.